Hello everyone, this is Stewart Rutter, Vice President of Sales here at corporate headquarters. I'm really excited for everyone who's gathered together today in Slovenia for this historic moment in the history of Synergy Worldwide as we embark on our almost 14 years now of doing business. We're so excited for the opportunity to launch Slovenia as our newest market, newest family member to this great family that's growing and expanding and blessing people's lives all around the world. I know this day has been a long time coming for many of you, especially as we work closely with Bastian, with Irina, and all the great team members in Slovenia who've worked so hard to create momentum, who create leadership and excitement, and given us the opportunity to open Slovenia as our newest Synergy market. We have great expectations. We have a lot of excitement because we know people's lives have already been changed and blessed from a health and wellness standpoint. From a financial and economic standpoint, we know that that will be accelerated greatly by the opening of Slovenia. We're thankful for some great pioneers and founders, people like Hakan Satine, Will Martin, many others who have done such great work to help support the people of Slovenia as they've worked hard to get enough support and volume and activity to be able to open this market officially. Although I can't be with you there today, my heart will be with you, and I'm very grateful that we have this great opportunity to open the market, to see great growth and momentum, and to see people's lives changed on a more accelerated basis. We hope that you have a great day. We hope that this day is special for all of you, and we hope you know that this is just the beginning of a great future together as we partner, as we work together to accomplish some great goals and to accomplish and achieve great success with so many of you. We thank you for your support, for your hard work, and for all that you've done to represent us as individuals, collectively as a market, to help this company grow and to reach our potential. We're excited for the future. We're excited for the opportunity to invest more in the future. We've hired a great new customer service agent, Petra, and you'll have a chance to meet her in just a few seconds here as she talks to you and introduces herself. We're very excited to have her on board and know that it's just the beginning from a support standpoint. We will continue to add resources to this growing market. Thankful to our general manager, Eric Dang, who's with you today, and for his great leadership and support. And he'll be there for you as well to continue to work with you, to grow your Synergy business, to reach and touch more people's lives all across that great country. So thank you so much. Congratulations. I hope you have a great day and a great weekend, and look forward to seeing all of you in the very near future. Thank you.
Živijo Slovenija, ime mi je Petra Pintar in sem doma iz Kranja, ampak že skoraj 7 let živim tukaj v Ameriki. Pred kratkim sem se tudi pridružila ekipi Synergy Worldwide in se zelo veselim, da odpiramo vrata sedaj tudi v Sloveniji. Tukaj v pisarni mi je zelo všeč, moji sodelavci so super, moj nadzornik je super in upam, da se tudi vi počutite super, ko sodelujete skupaj s Synergy Worldwide v Sloveniji. Kadar boste imeli kakšna vprašanja glede produktov, glede vašega računa, mi lahko pišete, lahko me tudi pokličete in se bomo poskusili pogovoriti in najti rešitev na vaše vprašanja preko telefona ali preko e-maila, tako da ste dobrodošli, da lahko uporabite vse to. Še enkrat se veselim sodelovanja z vami in vam ponujam toplo dobrodošlico.